Welcome. I'm Bev Adams. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. This is the card I'm going to show you today. A card for my grandson's graduation, technically promotion from 5th grade. I am using Balloon Celebration and the coordinating balloon bouquet punch. I looked up the school colors and it looks very much like the Blueberry Bushel, one of our new in colors. I'm going to use a piece of the thick Whisper White cardstock, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4 for my card base. I got a piece of the Blueberry Bushel that is 5 1/4 by 4, a layer of Whisper White that is 5 by 3 3/4, and another piece of Whisper White for stamping and punching. I also am going to use some of this silver glimmer paper. This is the old style. There is a new number and I have not gotten the new glimmer paper yet. Anxious to see what's different. I also plan to use some Dazzling Diamonds glitter, so I will be using the fine tip glue pen to apply that. In my Balloon Celebration stamp set, I keep a sticky note that I just punched out. So if that's the way I want my stamps, I want to stamp this direction, so I'm going to just set my balloon stamps in those holes and pick them up with my block. This is a clear stamp, so I'm bringing in my Stampin' Pierce mat. And for the balloons, I don't really want this a full strength, so I'm going to stamp off. And then stamp here. And I want to repeat that process. And I want to repeat that process with this glittery stamp. And I will do this one full strength. Bringing in a piece of scratch paper, and I just want to go ahead and emphasize those dots. I'm just dotting the fine tip glue pen over those other dots here. And like the stamp, I want to emphasize the base of the balloon, but I do want to have some up higher too. And I'll sprinkle the Dazzling Diamonds glitter over that. Love the sparkle. That really is the tiniest little bit of glitter, so that lasts a very long time. I want to wait a little bit for that to dry before I punch those out. While I'm waiting, I will punch out these balloons. I'm thinking that 5 or 6 balloons will be a lot. There's a whole handful of balloon strings here. And while that stamp set does have a congratulations, I'm selecting Another Wonderful Year. Congratulations, we are so happy for you. And I'm stamping that right over the balloon strings. I think I'm ready to punch these out now. And I'm just going to adhere the Blueberry Bushel layer to my card front. Adhere the Whisper White layer to the Blueberry Bushel. And then I want to arrange these balloons on the strings. We'll see how many I can get on here. There are 6 strings and 6 balloons. I think that will work. I'm going to adhere some of them directly to the card, especially these lower ones. And then some more that will be on dimensionals. I want to be sure and keep these within the area of the card so I can get it in the envelope. I think I need one more balloon on the inside. So there is a single balloon string that I will put low on this. I want to stamp off again, and I want to be sure and use my Stampin' Pierce mat, and I'll add those same sparkles, and I might as well add some glitter while I'm at it. I decided after I was done I didn't like the two silver balloons side by side. I stamped another large balloon. I evenly spread some of the multi-purpose liquid glue with a piece of cardstock so I didn't have to get my finger in it. Sprinkled it with the Dazzling Diamonds glitter, and I'm going to punch this one out. And I think I'm going to put that one on top. I like that one better. Nothing like designing as you go. Yes. So if you would like the directions for this card, come on over to bevadams.com. I'll have the full direct link right here for you. It will also be in the YouTube description down below. And we are very proud of you. Congratulations.